Hey everyone, Reasonable here. We saw one of the craziest weekly closes and monthly closes ever in the history of markets. So we had trillions of dollars wiped out due to precious metals losing around from 15% on gold to 38, 40% of the market cap on silver in 2 days, basically. So the largest portion, of course, was on Friday, and that was one of the craziest moves for the last decade. So $7 trillion wiped out, and uh, uh, markets will have its say next week as well. So we have some geopolitical events happening right now in Iran. So and yeah, uh, this is gonna be crazy month, I think. I don't expect silver or gold to go any lower from here. Maybe some retest, and of course the round two will happen. But this price action was really crazy, and a huge liquidations event wiped out a lot of wealth. So a couple of good charts we have. So we had this on NQ on a daily chart. We took this huge supply area and returned back down. So again, back at this very choppy range, we're gonna have a gap down on Monday, as it seems. As of now, it is expecting to be 0.6% on Nasdaq to the downside, and yeah, so we're gonna open below this previous week low, basically. And from here you can see we have this huge area of support making higher lows every time we had it. So in case we lose this low, I think decent chance we will take this liquidity around 24 150, and from here I would expect the 3 to 6 months at least bear markets to start officially. And yeah, we'll have some reaction maybe to the downside from here, but I don't think it's going to be too huge. I'm expecting 25 to 30% downside as a bear market, and it's pretty usual for the midterm years. So yeah, there is a decent chance we are about to start the bear market on NQ as well, because you know that Bitcoin always tops and bottoms the first, and we had 99% chance that Bitcoin already topped and Bitcoin already started the bear market, as we said before. And currently we are having a very bearish daily candle from 90 grand basically to right now we are plummeting at 78 and expecting to see below 74 very soon. So the downtrend is here, the bear market is here for sure for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I think NQ will start the bear market too. So currently back to NQ. So currently we are still holding the uptrend, but inside this choppy range, I think we're gonna see next leg down very soon. And as I said, from the top, if we measure it, we can expect to see 20 to 30%. Yeah, we have some gaps here. So 20% is around 21 grand basically. There is a decent chance we can get that, especially if you see the weekly chart here. 21 to basically 2800 and 21900 is the area of the so-called golden fib ratio. So we can expect some bounce from here if the bear market is about to start. So yeah, you can see this bearish divergence forming up. We are losing momentum. And for the first time since the tariff lows, we are seeing some bearish divergence on a weekly chart. And yeah, most probably we will see the correction get us to 618 area at least. That's my speculation. So on a Bitcoin wise, so yeah, you can see I marked on my charts completely complete downtrend basically. And so the first reaction will be maybe will be 21 I mean 200 EMA on a weekly chart, but I don't think it's gonna hold for long as we are heading to IBIT approved price, which is 48, and minus 65% from the top will be 44, and minus 70% will be around 38.40. So these are the area where you looking for entering your spot positions, accumulating right here for the next leg to the upside. On the timing wise, so yeah, my expectation is we're gonna have a bottom uh, before the end of October 2026. So this year, before the end of October, I'm expecting to see the Bitcoin low. Weekly chart very bearish, as I said. You can see we completely lost the mid level, and currently we are at the correction territory, which is obvious. So yeah, shorts only for me. For every bounce we see, you can see on the daily chart, we had this bull market support band retest, rejection, and we'll lose this yearly open as well. So you can see yearly open is 87,600. If we're gonna have another leg, small leg upside, looking for shorts only, that's for sure. Yeah, the sell side on 74 is waiting, and yeah, potentially will go lower very soon. So Ethereum is more yeah, it looks even worse. So we had this uh double top basically here at 2025 open, and we lost the yearly open of 2026 around 3k, and from here there are only liquidities to the downside 2100, and of course 1300. My long-term downside target on Ethereum is around this area, 900 area, 900 to 1000 area. And of course, timing wise, I will expect to it to bottom until October 2026. So yeah, on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, you can see as well, we are heading back to this box. I'm not even sure if we can have some upside momentum from here, maybe short term, but after all, so the bear market for Ethereum is here too. And I wanted to show you USDT dominance chart, the chart we love so much. So yeah, you can see we are at the mid range of the fair value gap, and we are starting the complete melt up to the upside on this chart, and expecting to go and make a higher high, more than 10%. Basically, if the history is indication, it's going to be around 12.5 to 13% when we have some distribution like this, and then we start the next bull market on Bitcoin and Ethereum. From here, it's up only on USDT dominance. So yeah, that's it. And lastly, so yeah, complete meltdown in the markets. I can't see us going up from here on Nasdaq and on SPY as well, considering the midterm year. And yeah, I think the bear market is here. So yeah, stay safe, and we'll try to update again. Bye.